Right now we are at the Brooklyn Bridge. It's pretty crazy. Last year I came here about this time, or not last year, in 2020, and it was absolutely dead, and today it is so hectic.
Getting some sick photos out here, hanging out, hating the crowds, so it's awesome, you know? It's pretty cool. No unique experiences. I get sick.
Thank you.
Love it. We got a bunch going on in here. It's like you can go right on that happy in between, and it should be pretty.
Oh my god. The ground is like really squishy, so popping off of it, I'm like anti-popping. It kind of sucks.
I got a secret for that, and it was pretty
Woo! Sick!
my first fakie today, guys, and I jumped that little, you know, actually it's not little, it's huge, yeah, like that huge little roller right there. Huge little roller.
Rocks, baby, what's up? I'm doing it! Oh! My lips are so chapped. I might need these. Had the most ridiculous thing happen to me. I pulled over to shoot some photos and some video. I've been taking the key out of my pocket every time I get out of the car, but this time I didn't, and I left it in the ignition. Leo was with me. I guess he just wanted to come shoot photos with me. He jumped on the side of the door, hit the lock button, and locked me out of the car. I called my dad, and he told me to call the sheriff's office, so I called the sheriff, and I was just giving the sheriff my name and my location, and then all of a sudden I hear Leo's barking like escalate a little bit. I guess Leo, he jumped on the window button and the window rolled down, so I was able to get back in the car without any help. That was hectic. Anyways, back to fall photos and videos. Cheeto Vision Part 2.